This is how you replace gel pads on your Comtacs. Gel pads are something you need to replace on your Comtacs. If you just bought them in surplus condition or you use them a ton, your gel pads are going to start looking like this, and they should look like this. And that has a severe effect on the actual usability of the Ear Pro. It's going to offer a lot less protection when they look like this and not like this, just because the ear pad isn't going to form well around your ear. And when you're using hearing protection like this, it is critical that you get a proper seal around your ear. So if you bought them like this, it might work. You're probably going to start to experience some hearing loss the more you use them. And so it's always best practices to make sure your gel pads are looking like this. And at Defense Distributors, we offer a kit of these so you can switch them out on your Comtacs, whether you bought them in surplus condition or they're just getting old and look like this, and you should probably replace them. So here's exactly how you do that. The gel pads are made of two components, the actual pad and the plastic backing. The plastic backing is what actually holds on to the ear pad, so we're not gonna tear or rip at the gel pads because that can rip that off the plastic backing. Instead, everything we do regarding install and removal is going to be working with the plastic backing. Removal on these is pretty easy. All we need to do is wrap our hand around the back and pull on that plastic. So as an example right here, I'm gonna put my hand into the middle. I'm going to pull around the side until I feel that plastic. And if you could see the back view, it would look like this. I'm putting my hands through the middle. My fingers are wrapping around the back of this plastic here. If you're pulling on that gel pad, that's a no-go. You're gonna rip them. You don't wanna do anything crazy. Just wanna get a bit of that plastic edge and pull out, and it will pop out of this little ring on the outside. So let's do this live now. We're gonna take the ear pad, wrap around, and pop. And as you just saw, the ear pad has popped off and we got it in one hand. The ear pads also retain the foam lining that is on the inside of your headphones. You don't need to replace these until they get super worn, but that's pretty easy to do as well. And underneath that foam pad is all the internals on the Comtac. We are going to keep that foam pad in place for now, just sitting in there. We're gonna take our new ear pad and line that up over the top of the Ear Pro, right where the old one was. We haven't snapped it in yet, but you should be able to visually confirm around that your new ear pad is in the channels of the actual earphone. And then all we're gonna do is we're gonna start pressing around the outer edges. And we should hear snaps. There's a snap there. And it looks like that one snap got us all the way in. And just like that, we have replaced the ear pads on your Comtacs. So anytime your ear pads start to look like this, or if you bought them and they already look like this, you should replace them. It will save your ears, and that's pretty important. It's kind of the whole point of Ear Pro. You can get brand new ear pads at defensedistributors.com. The link's in the description.